Hello, little artists! Are you ready for a super fun drawing today? Today, we are going to draw a playground slider.
Yay!
Let's start drawing together.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a big S-shaped slider going around a pillar in the middle. Great job! Now draw two rectangle handles on the top of the slider.
La da 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 dee.
Next, draw a ladder to climb the slider. Draw two handles above the ladder so kids can hold safely. Now draw the land or ground under the slider. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Wow, it looks amazing, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show your color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Let's say them together while coloring. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Violet color. Awesome coloring, little artists! You did a fantastic job today. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep smiling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next fun drawing lesson on Toddlers Art Hub.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.